YouTube. As promised, I told you guys I'll make another video when my Android screen arrives, and today is the day that she has finally been delivered. This damn coronavirus thing, man. I ordered this thing weeks ago, bro. It was supposed to be here, but it's here now, so I'm happy. So I'm just gonna set up the GoPro and let's do the install. So yeah, she's recording. Okay, so I'm gonna unplug all of this first. Hopefully this is getting like a good hopefully it's recording all of this. I'll be sad if it's not. First, you want to take out this. Damn. He'll get a flathead. Let me get a flathead and a Phillips. Flathead and Phillips. Okay, so back into the cord we go. So first, you want to lift up this. I don't have the trim removal tool, but I don't care. Pry that up. Then just rest her aside like that. You're gonna have a Phillips. Should be two of them, but I've had this out already. And I didn't put the screws back in. I still have them. I just didn't put them back in because I had planned on doing this Android thing. So I didn't see the need. And then let's slide this out like that. No, yeah. Normally I don't think you'd have to take this cubby out, but I had a single dent in there. Didn't work out how I wanted it to, so that's why she's no longer in there. Now, you just unplug this, plug the antenna, and what the hell is that? Unplug this one, unplug the blue one. This should be a fairly quick and easy install because it's my car, so it's like taking apart. Then unplug the ones for the climate control. I really hope that the GoPro is getting good like footage. It's wide angle. So there you have the stock head unit. Put that right there. And here we have my Android screen, which is way lighter. Like 10 times lighter. I don't need instructions. Listen. Like literally, I'm just going off of common sense. I don't know what that is. Antenna. It came with a bunch of other stuff for the GPS, I believe. Still recording? Yeah. Should probably follow the instructions. Why the hell is it showing onions? Sterile line. Bro, instruction manual ain't telling me shit. So this is for the GPS. I don't know where I would mount it. I can mount it right here. I can mount it up there. So let's just start like this. I'm gonna mount you. Okay. Let's run this down to here. Let's leave that GPS thing there. Like that. What the hell are these? Oh, USBs. Cool. Comes with 2 USBs. Backup camera. And these are for aux cables, but I have RCA converters, so don't need that. Probably run this into my glove box somehow. Yeah, just run the USB into the glove box. What the hell? Okay. Run that into there. So USB's in the glove box. Now, let's plug she in. GPS goes up here. Screw the GPS in. This is gonna be a crappy video. Oh, that's a GoPro. It'll be alright. GPS screws in right there. Antenna. So, no, backwards. Yeah, I did it backwards. Hey guys, this is pretty like self-explanatory because I'm not using no like type of instructions right now. I'm just plugging shit in. But where the fuck does this go? Oh, this goes down here. See guys, it's common sense. If I can do it, you guys can do it, right? K-Way. That was my boy Matt. Alright. And last but not least, the antenna, which I will probably never be using the radio on this. Antenna. God damn. Let's scoot up this shit. Antenna. Yeah, why the antenna so short? Bro, the antenna's dumb short. Wow. Alright guys, the screen is in. Nabby's there, I just gotta wipe that down and put whatchamacallit on it. So let's test her out. Ooh. Well, it's on. In previous Android, turn off access. Not now. Not now. Let's just test it. Let's just test it. The figures. Let's get that. Alright guys, well it works. So that's all I wanted to see, that it works. But I'll wrap up this video in a little bit. I will finish this customer's car. So yeah, get back to y'all when I'm done. Alright guys, got the Android screen in. You guys can see. I got to use pause right now so I don't get copyrighted. But I don't know. I had to unplug it back because I used the harness that came with the head unit for the climate control. But I don't know. I know I was kind of high doing the installation, but it wouldn't plug. It wouldn't go all the way into one of the connectors. So I took that harness out and used the factory harness, and it plugged in perfect. And climate control works. I got the heat on right now. I'm kind of cold. But yeah. So so far, I love this thing. The Navi is weird. It like alerts you when you're speeding or over the speed limit. It tells you how fast you're going to. It's kind of cool. But you guys saw, it's a fairly quick install, quick and easy.